Good morning, Houston. So we are on a roof inspection for a builder, and this roof was just installed a few days ago, and there's just a really very poor quality. I mean, the installation over it, these are things that should have been done without any problem. I mean, the drip edges overlapped improperly. The flashes all messed up. The starter and the shingle are aligned. I mean, that's a potential leak down the road. So I mean, it's all pretty poor. So what we'll do is keep walking around and get up on the roof and kind of take a closer look. But it looks like maybe some flyby, just some installers, somebody that didn't know what they were doing, and it's going to cost the builder and the contractor. And look at this here. So let's get up on the roof and finish our inspection.